Hello guys, Dr. Byte here. Today we will show you top Windows shortcuts you might not know. Before starting the video, we would like you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified of new stuff. Let's start it by locking screen fastly. Usually to lock screen we go to start and then go to the account option and lock the screen. But here is the shorter way to lock it just by pressing Windows and L. Creating and switching between virtual desktops. This is best feature to use many desktops from one PC. To create virtual desktops you go to Task View and create new desktops. And I can create as much as I need. Let's do it from keyboard, just by pressing Ctrl plus Windows plus D. Every combination will add a new desktop. And you can use the arrows keys along with these shortcuts to move from one desktop to another. Switching between recent apps. While switching apps you use your mouse to constantly do it from taskbar. But you can get rid of it. Press the Alt and Tab keys. And to switch between, click and hold the Alt key and keep pressing the Tab key to select the desired one. Minimize all opened windows on one click. Well, you have opened many windows and want to minimize them all. You will obviously clicking the minimize button for every window. But here is the easy way. To minimize all the windows, just press Windows plus M. Rename file or folder. To rename file or folder, we normally click the right mouse button and select the rename option. But why did not do it an easier way? Just by pressing F2. While in almost new devices you have to press it along with the function key. Opening Task Manager. To open Task Manager, the normal way is to right-click on Taskbar and go to Task Manager. Now let's open it in shorter way. Just by pressing the combination of Control, Shift, and Escape. The most wanted and interesting one. To put emojis in your text. While texting or commenting, to put emojis is tradition now. But in Windows most people don't know how to use. Windows Virtual Keyboard has emojis in it, but don't bother to open it every time. You can put emojis anywhere just by typing Windows plus semicolon. Kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And please comment down your tech diseases so we can cure it soon.